how much profit you can make from 200 layers. I believe that's why you are here. But before then, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with an amazing video. How much profit you can make from 200 layers. With good management, you can potentially make a monthly profit of 100,000 to 150,000 naira in Nigeria from 200 layers. But this depends on factors like egg prices, feed costs, and the number of eggs produced. So if you are in Nigeria, you've already known about feed costs. Sometimes it may increase on daily or weekly basis. So the more feed increase, the more a crate of egg increases also. So here is a more detailed breakdown. Initial investment, budget around 800,000 for 200 layers, including the cost of the beds and initial supplies. So monthly profit, that's why we are here. With good management, you could potentially make a monthly profit of 100 to 150,000 naira in Nigeria. So factors affecting profit. Number one is egg production. The number of eggs produced daily is a major factor in profits. Another thing is egg prices. Fluctuations in egg prices can impact profitability. As I earlier told you, whenever feed increases, a crate of egg equally increases. Another one is feed cost. The cost of feed is a significant expense. So managing feed costs is crucial. Other costs, consider costs like electricity, labor, and veterinary care. So why we are here, if you have 200 layers, you can make 100. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and share.